sa walang bala ha. Bawal ka lang. Kamo. Parang umakit mo. Pagka pinuputok mo wala lalabas na bala ka mo. Tapos dito yung battery sa katawan. Pag nahirapan ka duputin ng wire, angat mo sa basa.
Ito yun pa rin. Yan, sakit pa lang yan.
Angat na.
Kapag wala kang ano ko.
Dito yung battery sa kabila.
We were having a very nice conversation earlier, and you have the coolest first name I think I've ever heard. Tell us your name.
Parehas po ito.
Come on. Come on. What's your name?
Pag isi-charge mo, tatanggalin mo.
And besides, how old are you? Where do you live?
So, ano ko lang ha.
Okay. I've got a very important question for you. What would you do for $1 million if you won?
445.
I would share with poor people at home with people.
Basta.
It's very sweet.
Ay, automatic sir.
What would you buy yourself?
I would like $200
Being a drummer is the coolest thing in the world. No more questions. You just have the best time of your life, okay?
Basta pagdating ko mamaya, i-charge mo ito ng 4 na oras.
Yan ang magiging dahilan naman kasi yung nagiging
Tapos pag ang mapuno yung magazine mo, walang nalabas na bala, huwag mo nang i-continuous na F5. Minsan kasi bumabara lang yan. Pag bumara, sundutin mo lang. Kaya pag di kaya, ganyan mo lang dito. Sir, pag-double check ako. Ito, props na yung map-up.
Ay, ito wala lang ano.
Ang bala mo hindi accurate. Yung kulay blue, up and down lang. Tapos para ma-close to. Double check. Check mo ang bibas.
Dapat mo, yung kulay pink.